In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop echo on Skype video calls. Echo during a Skype call can be annoying and it often detracts from the overall experience of your conversation. Thankfully, there are straightforward steps you can take to minimize or completely eliminate this echo, ensuring your calls are clear and pleasant. Stay with me for the next few minutes as I guide you through each step, providing you with a seamless solution. First off, let's head to the Skype website. Here you'll find the option to open Skype in browser. Click on this and you'll be prompted to sign in with your account details if you aren't already signed in. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the settings where the magic happens to eliminate that pesky echo. Once you're signed in, look towards the top left corner of your Skype homepage. You'll see 3 dots arranged horizontally. This is your gateway to the settings menu where we can begin tweaking your audio options to improve your call quality. Click on these dots to proceed to the next step. After clicking on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive menu where you can adjust various aspects of your Skype configuration. But for today, we're focusing on fixing that echo, so stay tuned. Within the settings menu, you're looking for the Audio and Video tab. Clicking on this tab will reveal the options that control how you hear and are heard on Skype. This is where the main adjustments to stop echoing will be made. Finally, we arrive at the critical part of the process. Within the audio and video settings, you'll see options for both your microphone and your speakers. The trick here is to select the correct device from the drop-down menus for both options. Echo often occurs when there's a conflict or feedback loop between the microphone and speakers. Perhaps your microphone is too close to your speakers, or you're using a device that incorporates both into a single unit, leading to feedback. By selecting the most appropriate devices, for example, using a headset instead of your laptop's built-in microphone and speakers, you can significantly reduce or eliminate echo. To summarize, stopping echo on Skype video calls is mostly about choosing the right settings for your microphone and speakers. This may require a bit of experimentation, as different setups work better for different devices. Remember, the goal is to prevent your microphone from picking up audio that's being output from your speakers, creating that annoying echo. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that your future Skype calls are crystal clear, free from any echoes or feedback. Happy Skyping and see you in the next video.